Good morning, everybody. It's Bob. Um, Today I would like to talk about how I really ended up here in the Philippines, and hopefully, as an expat, explain what it's like actually living here as a foreigner. So, for me to come here, it took literally took years. Um, I had gone through some pretty monumental life events. Um, my mom died in March of 2018. My dad died in December of 2017. And I had a cousin die about a week after my mom, 2 weeks after my mom, whatever it was. And then I had a I had a half brother die in November of 2022, just before Thanksgiving, and blah blah blah. I had a bunch of stuff happen. I even went through a divorce in 2021. So I had to make some pretty big decisions as far as where I wanted to go. I definitely didn't want to stay where I was. It would just be too much. Um, I owned a house on 22 acres. I was in a bad spot mentally with everything going on. I was drinking a lot, and that's not good for a truck driver. But I would only drink when I was home. That's it. Not while I was out. Wouldn't touch stuff while I was out. And one day I just, I'm sure you've heard the whole thing of just woke up one morning and decided I didn't want that life anymore. Well, that pretty much is what happened to me. Um, I was sick of being depressed. I was sick of just laying in bed the whole time I was home. I was sick of a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. So one day I just decided, you know what? I'm going to look into the Philippines. I always wanted to go there when I was in the Air Force. I wanted to be stationed at Clark. Um, yeah, I wanted to change. I was always taking care of people, everybody around me. I wanted to make sure they were okay before me. And finally, I realized, you know what? I'm just going to take care of myself. I'm going to do what I want, when I want, how I want, on my own terms. And I looked into other countries besides the Philippines. I looked in Australia, I looked into New Zealand, Japan, South Korea. Um, you know, I just, I just wanted to get out. I just wanted to experience things. And so I ended up in retiring from truck driving in October 2023. And I do miss it. I miss the travel part of it across the states. I just don't miss the headache of it. A lot of stress, a lot of rules, heavily regulated. Um, I ended up coming here for about 2.5 months just to see what it was like. I had met a girl um, through Instagram, and we hit it off. Uh, we, I decided in January 2024 that the Philippines is where I want to be. Whether her and I succeeded or not, this is at that time, I wanted to be in the Philippines. And I ended up going back home and made a decision to sell my house. So I called the realtor who sold me the house in 2020. And he did a fantastic job. a fantastic job. And my house sold technically in 3 weeks, um, which was nice. So within 2 months, well, I left here in January of 2024, and by mid-April of 2024, I was back here. And then everything, everything started falling into place here. Um, Now, the Philippines isn't for everybody. It really isn't. You have to realize you can do as much research as you want, but it never fully prepares you. And you have to realize here, you really don't have, as a foreigner, you don't have any rights here. You don't. Um, you're pretty much guilty until proven innocent. So if you decide you want to come here and you get drunk every night and get into fights and all that, you're going to end up in jail, and then that's not going to be a good situation for you as a foreigner. Um, if you come here and you can go out drinking and all that, just mind your own business. Don't walk away from fights. And it's not the Filipinos who'll fight the foreigners. It's foreigners against foreigners. Happens all the time. Happens all the time. Um, just mind your business. Just go about your day and just walk away. Be the bigger person. Um, Keep your visa up to date. Uh, the life here that you can have with American money is decent. Again, this country's not perfect. It's not for everybody, but it's a life that I always thought of, always dreamed of, and it's happening. It's been a long road to get to this point, and I've had to cut a lot of people out of my life because they didn't understand. I walked away from people who I've known for 50 years. Just turned around and walked away, and haven't looked back. That was all during that time of turmoil that I had. Um, but yeah, this place is amazing. And right now, I'm doing something stupid. It's not illegal or anything. And it's I'm doing something so I can see for myself, and then I will let you guys know what's going on. I don't know how long it's going to take, but it's not. It can be bad, it can be good, but it can be bad if it doesn't work out. So stay tuned for that. Um, I'll let you guys know how all that works out and what was going on. It'll be a whole video, probably be a long video. So yeah, that's been my journey here, and I love this place. Love it. I I wouldn't change anything in my past. It's led me to here. All my decisions have led me to here. Everything that's happened to me has led me to here. And I hope everybody has a good day. And I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't already, good morning. Um, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye.